if you're finding wherever you're finding yourself and you think there's not an opportunity right where I am right now, shift your focus, go outside of the country and go and look for an opportunity. Your skills is needed. I think my imagination was the one thing that made me want to be an engineer. I did take part in a school excursion, and this particular excursion was an opportunity to go out to a coal-fired power station, funnily enough. I remember going up in the lift inside this big industrial environment, and everything was new, and the sounds and the noises, and it was just an overwhelming sensation. And we got to the control room and you could feel the ground vibrate under your feet. And I thought, these things are really powerful. And in my mind, as a 10-year-old at that time, all I thought was, electricity is very powerful, but you can't see it. And your parents always warned you, don't touch a plug, so you don't electrocute yourself. Joined the workforce with the company that had given me a scholarship, spent 6 years working for them, learning about electricity and how they make electricity, where it comes from, that it comes from coal, and in South Africa it was majority from coal. So I joined a company called Schneider Electric. Schneider Electric was fantastic, sent me off to France, trained me up in terms of their solutions for solar, and I was able to design solar farms by the time I came back from France. The reason I knew that renewable energy is the way to go for the future is it's a type of thing that's a global issue. It's not just related to one country. You're making yourself a global engineer if you can work in renewable energy, and you can also work across different market sectors. You make yourself very approachable for recruitment and for people to approach you, to want to employ you. So that's why I turned to renewable energy. I liked the idea of the technology, that it was ever evolving. I mean, everyone says a doctor saves a life, but engineers build machines that save people's lives. So if you can be the one that's constructing the roads that leads people to the future, then that's a great opportunity to take on.